In this video, we're diving into how to use Xero accounting software, giving you a quick but comprehensive explanation to help you hit the ground running. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just starting your journey into accounting software, Xero makes it easy to track your finances and manage your business operations efficiently. Stick around because I'll also share how you can use Xero for free with some exclusive bonuses you won't want to miss. Let's start with the basics. Xero is a cloud-based accounting platform that simplifies invoicing, tracking expenses, payroll, and more. It's designed for small to medium-sized businesses with a user-friendly interface that doesn't require an accounting background to get started. In fact, whether you're managing your own finances or looking to track business transactions, Xero can be a game changer. To begin, once you've logged into Xero, you'll see the dashboard. This is where you can easily access key features like your bank accounts, invoices, and financial reports. The dashboard gives you a clear overview of your business's financial health at a glance. It's clean, intuitive, and helps you stay on top of things without getting overwhelmed. Next, let's talk about invoicing. Xero makes creating and sending invoices a breeze. You can easily customize templates, add your business details, and input the products or services you're billing for. Once you've created an invoice, you can send it directly to your clients via email or even set up automatic reminders to ensure timely payments. What's more, you can track the status of each invoice in real time so you know exactly when to follow up. One of the most powerful features in Xero is its bank reconciliation tool. It allows you to automatically import your bank transactions and match them to the records in Xero. This saves you time and reduces the risk of errors. With just a few clicks, you can reconcile your bank transactions and keep your books up to date. Plus, Xero's smart matching technology helps reduce the time it takes to complete the process. Now let's dive into expenses. Xero gives you the ability to track your expenses by uploading receipts or manually entering them into the system. You can also set up recurring expenses, which is especially useful for subscription services or regular payments. All your expenses are neatly organized, making it easy to see where your money is going and ensuring you're always on top of your financial situation. If you need payroll, Xero offers that too. You can set up and manage employee payslips, tax calculations, and even handle deductions. Everything's integrated, meaning no more switching between different platforms for payroll and accounting. It's streamlined and designed to save you time. One last tip is Xero's robust reporting features. From profit and loss statements to tax reports, you can generate reports that give you the insights you need to make informed business decisions. Xero provides you with a wide range of templates, but you can also customize them to suit your specific needs. Before we wrap up, don't forget that you can get started with Xero for free using the link in the description below. With our exclusive bonuses, you can explore Xero's full capabilities without any risk or commitment. In summary, Xero accounting software offers a wide range of features to help you manage your finances efficiently. From invoicing and expenses to payroll and reporting, it's a one-stop shop for all your accounting needs. Plus, it's designed to be simple, intuitive, and accessible for anyone, no matter your accounting experience. Make sure to check out the link below for your extended free trial of Xero, and thanks for watching.